The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for western Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, eastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern York County in upstate South Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles southeast of Gastonia, or near town of Lake Wylie, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Wylie, Cramerton, McAdenville, Charlotte Douglas Airport and Lowell around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Paw Creek, Southwest Charlotte, Mount Holly and Belmont around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huntersville and Northwest Charlotte around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Crowders, Lucia and Croft. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGS